We just introduced the Berkley Rawler and Bladed Rawler jigs. A couple of super tools added to the arsenal. Not only are they forward-facing baits, but they do a great job fishing large flats and weed flats. But there's a couple very specific rigging tips that I would like to share with you when it comes to really pulling the full potential out of this bait. Probably my go-to is the 4-inch gulp crawler. Now, one of the things that you have to really pay attention to with this bait, this is the Bladed Rawler, is the fact that you need to thread that all the way up the hook to really impart that slow turn action out of it. So I'm going to take that 4-inch gulp crawler and I'm going to thread it up the hook. You want to continue to thread it up till you get about, almost a perfect loop there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that hook out and I'm going to push it on the rest of the way. So you want that nice bend. You can see that nice bend in that 4-inch crawler. And what that's going to do is it's going to impart that nice, slow, tantalizing, slow turn technique. But you want to make sure that your rigging is perfect on this, or you're not going to get the proper action out of the bait. So pay really close attention when you're tipping the Rawler and the Bladed Rawler. You're going to get the right action. You're going to get way more bites.